The Riddle of the Earth, Chapter 9. Variability of the meteor stream. What is of more immediate importance to the world of human beings is the final career of a comet after perihelion. There, it seems, is where the danger lies. For such time as the nucleus preserves its comparative solidity, it is undoubtedly subject to the laws of gravity and is drawn afresh to the sun. But it appears likely that if a comet should disintegrate into several parts like that of the comet of 1882, it may be beyond the action of gravity when this occurs, and it is then perhaps by the operation of some other law that these disintegrated particles, although of very considerable extent, are attracted into the meteor stream. It is very possible that by some such circumstances as outlined here have come about the various geological ages which very considerable deposits were flung on the earth. When very considerable deposits were flung on the earth. Whatever the actual modus operandi, at least certain specific factors enter into such appolutions which point to the general correctness of these inferences. The direction of the fall of meteors on the earth being from the pole of the heavens implies that the falling bodies have come from the direction of the sun and are moving away from it at the time of contact. That periodically the radiant of meteoric streams appears to shift, and such periods may bring the earth into closer proximity to meteoric collisions, and that all such bodies contain the same minerals and gases as are discovered in connection with the procedure of volcanic eruptions, or earthquakes, or both.